friends. Sorry I haven't uploaded a lot of videos lately. Been kind of busy. This is going to be a new video of my tree saddle setup. I'm going to start with my handy dandy tree saddle made by this company. Haven't tested it yet. Got it a few months before season last year and didn't have a chance to set it up. Been reading on reviews and decided to go with this one. And kind of thought this one would be good since it has molly strips. Kinda. I don't know the terminology. But hopefully this year won't be able to hunt much, but willing to give this a try. Got a couple of spots to hang it on a tree, and I'll let you guys know. That is the harness itself. The next is my safety line. And that is the company that makes it. And it also shows you some accessories you can go along with it, which I might pick up the bow gear and hoist. That's the only other thing I don't have besides using like twine or something. Next thing I have are these screws. Comes in a 3-pack, as you can tell. So it was kind of cheaper to get with the 3-pack instead of the 2-pack, where I can put my pack or my bow on the tree. The next item would be my platform. Not too sure about this yet, but willing to give it a shot. It is a Hawk Helium Hammock Apex platform. So, comes with a strap. Not too sure about the strap. So, if you have any good luck with this, let me know in the comments. And then my climbing sticks that I picked. I just kind of picked these because they were on the cheaper end. Not too sure how they're gonna work. Let me know if you use these. They're the Bigfoot, River's Edge Bigfoot platform. I love it how they have these textures on them, because on the bottom of my boots, for some odd reason, are a little bit slick. I might have to get a new platform or climbing sticks to try, but I'm gonna give these a shot this year. I got 3 of these, and that should put me up about 13, 14 inches, or feet, not inches, feet, into a tree, if I can find a pretty good tree to set those on. And if you have any recommendations for pouches to add to this, that would be much appreciative. And I'll let you guys know how it goes this year using this. This would be my first year of using a tree saddle stand. I hope it all goes well. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and comment. It is free. Just hit that little subscribe button at the bottom of your screen. And I'm still using the same bow that I used last year, which is the Bear Archery Legit in Muddy Girl. And let me know if you use this Hawk and River's Edge Bigfoot climbing sticks. And if all goes well this year, I'll be doing a review on the whole setup. So, like for more, subscribe, really helps the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I forgot to mention, if you were wondering where I got every single thing that I showed you in the last clip, look at Amazon. The climbing sticks, I think I paid like $25 a piece, and they only weigh like 4 pounds a piece. Stack them up on one another, they're kind of have a little bit of weight to them. That's my only concern, and a little bit long for my liking, but it's my first set, so hopefully this year after I use them, hopefully, I might either continue using them or might look at it into getting a different set. The saddle harness itself, I only paid $36 for it, so that, to me, that ain't really that bad. I mean, I seen them a little bit spendier, like over $100, so you can kind of look on Amazon, choose your pick on how much you want to spend. The safety rope, I don't remember how much I paid for those. I think the 3 little hooks for that 3-pack, I think I spent like $12, I think. I don't exactly remember. I bought them like a year ago. Haven't used them since, so I just forgot to mention that part. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos that you guys would like to see, or a review after this 2024 hunting season. So, best of luck in your next deer season. So,